Guys, welcome back. Today I want to talk a little bit about my DIY tool storage. This is pretty much on YouTube quite a bit, but I did mine maybe a little bit differently. These are file cabinets from like an office, I'll call it, a corporate office type thing, that I bought off of Facebook Marketplace. There are two here, and there's one big one here. Now what's nice about this big one especially is it's like has cement weights in it. So when you open the drawers all the way, the weight does not tip that forward. So that is a real benefit to using these type of cabinets. They're heavy, and to get them here is difficult, but that's the benefit to using a cabinet like that. Sorry, my cat's going crazy in the background wanting to come out with me, but this is just a normal file cabinet. Now, these are pretty heavy, but I don't have a problem with these tipping. If I open these drawers all the way, they're not weighted like that one. I've got my big impact in here. Even if I set it all the way this way, I still don't get any tipping with it. But now finally have all my tools for working on my cars in one place. It's really amazing. I really like this. Now, let me talk about a little bit how I built these. I built just this, I think it's a 2x3 base, and just kind of filled in with some 2x4s there. And I just dusted those with some black spray paint. Now, one thing that I really like about these are these casters, and I bought these off of Amazon. And these casters are really good. I'll put these in the description. Let me show you how easy these roll. This is gonna be difficult to do one-handed, but I can bring this entire cabinet out towards the car and continue to work on it and have my tools right here next to my hands. So that I really like. And the really cool thing, and here we go, like I have all my sockets in one place now. These are my 3D printed organizers that I have in here. I'll do a video about those sometime. But the really cool thing about these is they were so cheap. I think I paid 30 bucks for that one, and I wanted two of those, but they only had one. So I went ahead and bought two of these, and these were 20 bucks a piece, I think. So with the top, so that was kind of nice. And I took some pictures of how I put these together. I'll overlay these here as I talk about it. Like I said, 2x3 bases. These two cabinets, I kind of screwed in side to side to get those tight across the middle, and then I screwed them into the base that I built down here on these casters. I just had to find some like open areas to put some screws in, a couple washers to get those to bite in and make it one unit. But I've been using these for about a month now, done a few projects, and it's really, really, really working out. I really like this. Maybe I'm thinking about tricking these up a little bit, you know, maybe I paint them. I don't know, what do you guys think? I'm so enamored with the functionality, I haven't really thought about what to do to make them look a little bit better. What do you guys think? Leave a comment, let me know. Let me know what you would do to these if you had these, or if you would just leave them the same. Again, super cheap, super functional. I really like it. I went and priced toolboxes, I think it was at Home Depot. Even in the scratch and dent section, I was gonna spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars to get something I could wheel around like this and have at my fingertips when I'm working on a car. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you today. Just a quick one. Let me know what you do. Let me know what more you want to know about these. Do you want to talk about the organization? We can talk about the organization, which I'm still working on. You know, how I do that. Just with right now with some tubs and some boxes. You know, to have all my drill tools here, my router tools here, Dremel tools, so on and so forth down the line. So let me just open this bottom one a little bit here. Oh, so I got my vacuum pump, which, you know, I often forget I have my brake line tools, all of my pullers in one toolbox there, all the heavy stuff down there on the bottom. It's just working great. But again, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you would do. I like this frugal approach to my tool storage. You know, I'm not a full-time mechanic. I don't need a full-time mechanic's toolbox. I just need to keep my tools safe and dry and at hand. So anyway, guys, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.